Looking for a power supply that delivers solid performance without the noise? The EVGA SuperNOVA 750GM, with its 80+ gold certification and 750 watts of power, promises just that. Whether you're upgrading your gaming rig or building a new PC, this fully modular PSU offers the kind of efficiency and quiet operation that serious users appreciate. I swapped out a 400W OEM power supply for the SuperNOVA 750GM, and the difference was clear. The SFX form factor fits perfectly in compact cases, and the included bracket makes it easy to adapt for ATX setups. What stands out immediately is the sleek all-black sleeved cables, clean, professional, and they help with neat cable management even if they're mostly hidden. Plus, the fan stays off until the power load ramps up, keeping your system whisper quiet during everyday tasks. Honestly, it's so quiet I often have to check if my desktop is even on when I switch from my laptop. What really matters here is the reliability. The PSU uses 100% Japanese capacitors, known for their durability and long lifespan. That means fewer worries about component failure down the road. The 10-year warranty backs up EVGA's confidence in this unit, giving you peace of mind for years to come. It handles a Ryzen 5 5600X paired with an XFX RX 6700 XT effortlessly, powering demanding games and applications without breaking a sweat. That said, there's a minor downside worth mentioning. After some months, a faint buzzing noise appeared when the PC was under light load or even turned off, only stopping when unplugged. It's a bit disappointing, especially after the return window closed. Still, this issue doesn't affect performance under normal use and might not be a dealbreaker depending on your tolerance for subtle background noise. If you want a power supply that combines quiet operation, efficiency, and flexibility, the EVGA SuperNOVA 750GM is worth a look. Its fully modular design simplifies installation and upgrades, while the power-on self-tester adds convenience during setup. Whether you're building a compact system or a full ATX tower, this PSU adapts smoothly. Ready to upgrade your power supply? The EVGA SuperNOVA 750GM offers solid performance, clean aesthetics, and long-term reliability backed by a decade-long warranty. Try it when you're ready and experience the difference of a PSU designed with both power and quiet in mind.